What's up, today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on GBP USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, GBP USD from the lower time frame perspective giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade GBP USD. First of all, looking at monthly perspective. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that GBP USD quite a few months back to back was in a strong bullish map. Now, with this bullish momentum, we have seen that GBPUSD has broken all this important monthly level of resistance, created an overextended market to the upside, and then from that resistance, we see that this month, once the market opened, after testing half of this previous monthly week, the price started to drop. Now, as the price already created quite a few months strong bullish move, we can expect now GBPUSD to come down for a deeper retracement. So with that in mind, monthly perspective, we can expect GBPUSD to continue to drop. Now, if we look at weekly time frame to see how the price action is doing, we see that from the weekly perspective, GBPUSD after the previous week strong drop during the NFP, this week the price created this narrower candle, which is a doji. Now, with that doji formation, what we can expect now this week, what I think that the price might create a lower high with this weekly long week candle, and then we could see another drop. So initially we might see GBPUSD to push up for a retracement of this candle on the weekly and then to drop. So from the weekly perspective, if we consider around half of this long week, we can expect GBPUSD to go up to this level or even break this high and then to have a rejection. If we look at daily perspective, we see the same level is exactly aligning with the daily resistance zone where there is a daily opening and closing. And what I think that GBPUSD highly likely will go ahead and test this zone as a resistance, and then we might see a drop. Now, if you look at overall picture on the daily perspective, we see that the price created an head and shoulder in this level and then has broken down from this head and shoulder with this daily impulse with a liquidity grab from here, impulse correction. Now we can expect GBPUSD to have another impulse to the downside. And at the same time, we see that when the price retraced to the upside this current week, we have seen the price tested this daily 20 MA, and then we saw another rejection. So monthly, weekly, and daily giving us a potential for a drop after an upward retracement on the lower time frame. So if we look at the 4 hour perspective to see how the price action is forming, we see a bit more clearer market structure and price actions. What do we see that GBPUSD first of all created an head and shoulder in this level on the 4 hour, and last day of trading we have seen breakout from this head and shoulder. If you draw a local channel here that GBPUSD was going up during this slow period of movement, we have seen that GU in this channel has gone up, and we have seen this is the neckline of this head and shoulder formation, which acted here as support, support here, support here, and also support here. I think that the price will go up during this in the first day of trading. We could see some movement to the upside to test this neckline of this previous support, turning resistance here, and from this level where we see this is the zone that we are expecting on the weekly perspective as well. Along this zone the price to test and then to have a rejection. So based on the price action, if we see that GBPUSD testing this level, this previous support turning resistance, we can expect to have a short trading opportunity. On the other hand, if we see that GBPUSD did not test this level initially, has come back down, has broken this weekly support zone, created an overextended market to the downside, and then we can expect now GBPUSD to go ahead and test this level. In that case, from this level, based on the price action, we can consider going long on GBPUSD with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading GBPUSD. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.